There is a gear in a cold machine, grinding up the spirit and everything in between. I've been dodging the shadows and the Babylonian noise, tired of being played like one of the Empire's toys. But I know a place where the wood is old and dark, where every lonely traveler carries a holy spark. I push through the door and I leave the world behind, looking for a rhythm that's a little more kind. The piano is humming, the low steady blue. Humberto is smiling and pouring a few. I can feel the bass starting to rise like a universal truth before my very eyes. Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the cedar breathe? It's the only place where a merry soul can leave. Dollar is crying, the drum is a rapid beat, turning all the bitter into something sweet. It's the church of the bottle, the casual of the glass, watching all the imprints of darkness tightly pass. Everything has a soul, from the stool to the tap, a map of the magic that's hidden in the gap. The piano man is playing for the logger and the wave, telling them the spirit is the only thing that's safe. There's no anti here, just the pro of the heart, where the end of the day is a brand new start. The lights are low and the soul is running high, underneath the rafters of a man-made sky. Let the machine rattle, let the empire shake. This is the sanctuary that they can never break. Safe in the wood, I always knew the magic was good.